I will choose x1 comma y1. Next, again another one point I will choose that the coordinate point B. That is the point equal to x2 comma y2. Here I draw the one triangles. Okay, one triangle. That's the coordinate point C. I consider the coordinate point C is equal to x3 comma y3. Three coordinates, that is three vertices are given. How to calculate the area of the triangle? Okay. Here I will consider the same triangle. I will take this is here x and y coordinates. Okay. Get the sense of consider x axis. Again you put the y axis. Here x and y axis. Here I need the area of the triangle only. This area only I need. So I draw the one perpendicular line. Here B to one line perpendicular line. Again L to perpendicular to x axis. Again C, again the perpendicular to x axis. I will choose the coordinate point B, Q, R. I will choose the coordinate point of B, Q, R. Here, 3 points are here. But I need the distance of, what's the distance? I need the area of A, B, C. Area A, B, C. The triangle only I need it. Okay? I need the triangle. This area only I need it. Okay? Area of the triangle, this particular part only I need it. But I draw the perpendicular line to x axis. Here, just you think about, I need area of the triangle. What's the meaning? A, B, C. A, B, C. I need area of the triangle A, B, C. Okay. Here, what are the sets are here? A, B, B, Q. One trapezium. A, B, B, Q. One trapezium. Next, again I find the area of the trapezium A, B, Q, or C. Another one trapezium. I find out the total area. Okay, I find out the total area. Here, I need area of the triangle A, B, C is equal to area of the trapezium. Trapezium, what's the name? A, Q, B, Q. A, Q, B, B. Square plus again area of the trapezium A, Q, R, C. Area of the trapezium. What's the area of the trapezium? A, Q, R, C. A, Q, R, C. Okay, just to think about area of the triangle ABC. I need this area. So I calculate the trapezium, area of the trapezium A, Q, B, Q. That is full total area. Plus area of the trapezium A, Q, R, C. A, Q, R, C. That is again fully total area. Okay. So I find out the total area. What is the excess area? I need the triangle ABC only. But the remaining part you will subtract it. Total area, first I find out the total entire area, again I will subtract this part. Automatically find out the area here. So, what are the areas I will subtract? B, B, R, C. The remaining part you will subtract. So, total area, the remaining part should be subtracted. Up here, minus, again the area of the trapezium. Okay, what's the point? Coordinate point B, B, R, C. Okay, you separate B, Q, R, C. It's clear. So first to find out the total area of the remaining part, you will separate. Easy to find the area of the triangle ABC. It's clear. So here, what's the coordinate point B? B is equal to what's the meaning? X2. Q is equal to what's the coordinate point? X1. So a distance between B, Q. What's the distance? But here distance x1 minus x2. Here B coordinate point x2, Q coordinate point x1. I calculate the distance of BQ is equal to x1 minus x2. Similar case, Q the coordinate point x1, R the coordinate point x3. You need to calculate Q3 is equal to x3 minus x1. Well known that coordinate point to calculate. Okay, so here same way. B, there is a vertical distance only. I find out the distance of B. There is a vertical distance. What's the vertical distance? Y2. It's a y coordinate. AQ, that is the vertical distance of y1. Next, CR, that is the vertical distance. Here, what's the distance of y3 only? Okay. See. Now, I find the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle ABC. I need area of the triangle ABC. Is equal to first one. Area of the trapezium ABBQ. That is one trapezium only. Here, four sides are up here. Half into what's the formula? Half into sum of the two parallel sides. What are the two parallel sides? BB plus QA. It's the parallel side only. Up here. What's the parallel side? BB plus parallel side BB. Next is QA. QA. Is clear? Sum of the parallel side. The distance between, what's the formula? Half and sum of the two parallel side into distance between them. Here, what's the distance? That is BQ distance. Here, I find out the BQ distance. Plus, similarly, area of the trapezium. What are the trapezium? A, Q, R, C. What are the sides are parallel? Here, AQ, next one. C, R, the two sides are parallel. But here, half into, what are the sides are parallel? AQ plus CR into, what's the distance between parallel line? That is QR. That is QR. It's clear? Half into AQ plus CR. Next minus area of trapezium BBRC. That is the remaining part you separate. But here, what sides are parallel? BB. Next CR. The two sides are parallel only. But here minus half into, again same sum of the two parallel sides. BB plus one side CR. Okay, parallel side CR into what's the height? Distance between the two parallel lines, that is BR. Okay, that is total distance of BR. Is clear? Now you calculate. First, 1/2. What is the distance of BB? Here, BB distance is y2. Up here, y2 plus QA distance is y1. This is y1 into BQ. BQ distance is x1 minus x2. So here x1 minus x2 plus same as 1/2 AQ. What's the distance of AQ? That is y1 plus CR. CR is equal to y3. QR is equal to x3 minus x1. Again x3 minus x1. Minus half into BB. Here, BB is equal to y2. Here, what's the distance of y2 plus CR? Okay, CR, y3 into BR distance. Here, B and R. Here, x coordinate x3, again x2. Our total distance, what's the meaning? Here to here, that is total distance is x3 minus x2. But here x3 minus x2. Okay, just a simplification. Take it 1/2 is the entire equation common. Okay, but here just you multiple y2 here y1, here y2 x1, next minus y2 x2, next you multiple y1 x1 minus y1 x2. Okay. Plus this will multiple plus y1 x3 minus y1 x1 plus same way plus y1 here multiple y1 x3 minus y1 x1 next y3 x3 minus y3 x1. Similarly again you just will multiple y2 x3 multiple y2 x3, here minus will common, up here minus of y2 x3, next y2 x3 minus, actually minus y2 x2, but here minus of minus plus, next I will take it y3 x3 plus, but here minus, but here minus y3 x3 again plus y3 x2, y2 x1, here y2 x1, here minus y1 x2, next plus y1 x3, okay, minus y3 x1, here minus y2 x3 plus y3 x2. It's clear? Just to take it 1 by 2, take it same way. Here I will take it x1, take it common. Here x1 means y2. Here x1, here x1. x1 take it common, and here y2 minus y3. Here y2 minus y3. Plus I will take it x2. x2 take it common. Here x2. Okay. Here x2. That's the meaning of what's the meaning? y3 minus y1. It's clear? y3 minus y1. Next, I will take it point x3, take it common. x3, here x3. That is of y1 minus y2. Okay. Over here, half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is the formula for area of the triangle.